it's Misha Dan, and we are here for another Ulster Irish lesson for beginners. And this time, we're going to talk about the verb to be. This is where we start breaking into the slightly harder stuff. I started learning a lot more once we reached these parts of my lessons. And one of the hardest things for people to grasp was the pronouns. Just try and remember what the pronouns are while you're trying to remember the question. I've actually already taught you some of the responses to these questions. I've already taught you the pronouns. So now we're just going to look at the question, and you actually already have a lot of the answers. The difference is this is the verb to be, and it's very direct. So it's an will, which is or something. So an will to is are you, and will she is she, and will mudge are we, and will shift are you. Plural. But you notice in English, we've had to change is and are depending on the pronoun. We haven't had to do that in Irish. So although I say it's a little bit more difficult to understand or to grasp, it is actually much simpler than English. So let's get started. An will tú go muy. An will tú go muy. Are you well? Your answers? Tá mé go muy. I am well. Níl mé go muy. I'm not well. You see, we've already learned these in the previous lessons. Where do we learn them from, and what's the difference? Well, we learned them from agaibh or tatu. Agaibh or tatu is an open question. It's how are you? And you can give a range of responses. This is a closed question, which is, you're looking for a very specific answer. And the very specific answer is, are you well or are you not? So, tá mé go muy. Níl mé go muy. How about is she well? Is she well? An will she go muy? An will she go muy? Tá she go muy? Níl she go muy. So let's change the question. An will go bra? So let's change the question. An will mudge go bra? Are we fine? Tá mudge go bra? Tá mudge go bra? We're fine. Níl mudge go bra? Níl mudge go bra? We're not fine. I'm going to give you a pause so that you can repeat this. It's very, very important. So let me ask you all the question. An will shift go muy? An will shift go muy? An will shift go muy? Are yousens all well? Are yous all well? Now, you're only going to respond to me singularly. Because remember, I'm asking yous all the question. So either you can collectively say, yes, we're fine. So, tá mudge go muy? We're fine. Or you can answer for yourself. Tá mé go muy? Yes, I'm fine. Let me give you a cheat. Let me give you a cheat code. Whenever somebody's asking you a direct question in Irish, because it's direct, it's a closed question. So I'm asking you right now, an will tú go muy? Okay, so I'm asking you if you are well. I know that you're going to respond. You are telling me the answer, and the answer is going to be yes or no. So you can actually say tá or níl. Yes or no. Tá, níl. It's the start of the sentence. You don't need to say the rest because we know what it's related to. So let's picture that like a cheat code, okay? But only when it's a direct closed question that you can respond to. So, an will tú go bra? An will tú go bra? Are you fine? An will tú go bra? And the full answer would be then, I'll make up. But if you just want to say yeah, ah, or if you're not, no. So let's leave this lesson at that. Please practice where you can. Make sure you bookmark this. Okay, very important. Make sure you bookmark this. And will to go moy. I'll make a moy. Neil make a moy. And will to go moy. Ah, Neil. You're agaibh. Thanks as always, and slán for now.